Agents, let's be real. This year may not have gone the way that you planned. Maybe the market shifted, your deal slowed down, or you just lost some momentum somewhere along the way. But here's the truth. You are only one focused 90-day sprint away from turning this entire year around. Because how you finish this year is exactly how you start the next one. Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, team lead with Real Broker and your host at Better Together Academy. And today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step 90-day comeback plan that's helped agents rebuild momentum, reignite their pipeline, and finish stronger than they started without burning out or starting from scratch. So I'll never forget a year early in my career where everything just stalled. The market was quiet, my listings had dried up, and everything felt like a ghost town. It was frustrating. I was working hard, but nothing was clicking. Then one day, a mentor told me something that completely shifted my mindset. He said, you don't need a new year, you just need a new 90 days. He was right. That quarter, I stopped chasing everything and started focusing on just a few right things. I reconnected with my database, created consistent marketing, and I set daily accountability. Within 90 days, I had momentum again. My listings came back, referrals had picked up, and my confidence had returned. So that experience taught me something powerful. You don't wait for a comeback, you build it. So how do you do it? Well, the first 30 days are all about clarity and control. You can't rebuild momentum if you don't know exactly what you're rebuilding. So start here. First, audit your business. Where did your last 5 transactions come from? What's producing results? And what's actually wasting your energy? Next, clean your database. Reconnect with your past clients and your sphere of influence. Send personalized check-ins, not sales pitches. Here's an example. Hey Mary, I was just thinking about you. How's the new place? Hope everything's going well. It's not about a transaction, it's about reactivating trust. All right, and most importantly, you need to get your mindset right. Commit to one simple rule. Show up daily, even when it's quiet. Momentum starts with consistency, not chaos. At the end of these 30 days, you'll have a cleaner database, a clearer path, and your mindset will be back in the game. All right, so days 31 through 60 are where your traction starts because you've got clarity and now it's time for connection. So here's what you're gonna focus on. Conversations equal closings. Set a target number of real estate conversations per week. It could be 10, it could be 20, it could be 150, but track it. Every conversation creates data, opportunity, and it's also ability for you to create a referral. Now next is you're going to nurture your warm leads. Send value updates, local market snapshots, interest rate trends, maybe neighborhood stories. Stay top of mind without being pushy. Additionally, you want to create local visibility. Start posting weekly market videos, what's happening guides, or quick story style reels. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. And lastly, understand that the momentum is built in public. When people see you active, they see you confident, and they see you showing up, they remember who to call when they're ready. Now, as we enter days 61 through 90, it's time to protect your progress. If you don't create systems, you just repeat that cycle of inconsistency. So here's what you're going to do. First, automate your follow-up. Utilize your CRM to send texts, emails on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Keep it personal, but systemized. Next, batch your marketing. Record 3 to 4 short videos at once. Schedule your social posts and set reminders to share new listings or client wins. And lastly, schedule money hours. Block 2 hours a day for pipeline work. No distractions. This keeps your focus on revenue, not reaction. By the end of 90 days, you'll have momentum that's measurable, more conversations, stronger follow-up, consistent marketing, and a clear system that compounds. So listen, this quarter doesn't have to be the end of a slow year. It can be the start of your next breakthrough. If you're ready to rebuild with clarity and want a proven roadmap to follow, I would be delighted to help you create that. Let's figure out your personalized 90-day comeback plan. Call, text, email me today, and let's turn your year end into a launch pad for your best year yet. Thanks for watching.